Hello, in this video I'd like to talk about the WordPress themes and plugins. So in a previous video I've already talked about themes. WordPress uses themes to show our website on the front end. So if we open this on the front end, here we are using a theme, and if we go to Appearance, Themes, this is our active theme, and this is how it looks. And if we change this, for example, if we switch to this theme, we can click Activate and refresh the site. Now it has a different look. So themes can change the appearance of our website. There are many different themes. There are themes that we can get free of charge. There are themes that we have to pay for. There are very simple themes. There are themes that come with a huge number of settings and options, and we can easily add new themes or install new themes on our website. We just need to come here, Appearance, Themes, and click Add New. And here we can see the popular themes, latest themes. So these themes come from the WordPress theme repository. So if we go to WordPress.org and we go to download themes, this is where these themes are coming from. So we can filter them differently. We can see the popular ones, the latest ones, favorites. We don't have any favorites yet. And if you want to install a theme, you can just hover over the theme screenshot and click install. So let's install, for example, let's install this Astra theme. By the way, you can check the preview, but usually the preview don't really show you what you can achieve with a theme. So if you take a look at the screenshot and the actual preview, they are very, very different. But actually this theme is very powerful, and you can create really, really nice websites with it. Let's go back, and if you want to install it, just click the install button. Okay, and you can activate the theme from here, or you can go back to the themes menu and you see this theme listed here. Click activate, and now it's activated. And if you refresh the home page, now it has a different. And if you go back, if you notice, there is another option appeared here under Appearance. This is the Astra options. Some themes come with their own options, and this Astra theme has its own options. If you click here, you can see that there are a bunch of options here. You can upload the logo. You have a header builder, a footer builder, you can set colors, and you have a lot of other options here. Okay, I'm not going into too many details right now, but I just wanted to show you that sometimes themes come with their own menu options that you can access from here or somewhere else. They don't always put their options under Appearance. Okay, if we go back, let's just switch back to this theme, and you can remove a theme by going into Theme Details and click Delete. This will delete the theme files from your server. Let's delete this one as well. And actually there is another way to add a theme or install a theme on your website. You can go to Add New, and you can go to Upload a Theme. So you can upload the theme files manually. So if we go back to WordPress.org and we hover over one of the themes, you can see a download button. So let's download this theme. And if we go back, let's just refresh the page. So we have the other theme installed and activated. But if we come here and we upload this file and click Install Now, This may take a little bit of time. Okay, so if the upload and installation was successful, you should see a message like this, and you can activate the theme from here. Let's click and activate it. Okay, so now the Astra theme is activated again. So we basically did the same as before. And if you go back to the front end, and now Astra is installed and activated on our website. If you want to install a free theme, you should just use the installation option from here. But sometimes, for example, when you buy a commercial WordPress theme, you may not be able to install it directly from their website. They will provide you with the download option, and then you need to download the theme and then upload it like I did just a moment ago. Let's go to plugins. So as I've said in my previous video, with plugins, you can add new functionalities to the website. By default, there are a couple of plugins already installed on your website, but not activated. Usually this anti-spam plugin and this Hello Dolly plugin. This Lightspeed cache plugin is automatically installed by Namecheap. So if your WordPress is not on Namecheap, then you should not see this plugin. And as you can see, there is a new version available for this plugin, so we can update it. If you want to update a plugin, you just need to click the Update Now link, and WordPress will update it automatically. You can also enable auto updates for plugins, so let's just enable this for this plugin, and let's enable for these as well. And if there is a new version available, then WordPress will automatically update that plugin. Let's close this, we don't need it. If you want to add a new plugin, you can click here or here, and it's basically the same like with themes. You can see the featured plugins, popular plugins, recommended plugins. You can search for plugins. So right now, what I want to do, I want to install an SEO plugin. It's called Rank Math. Okay, so WordPress found it. And again, these plugins are pulled from WordPress.org. Go to download and plugins. And these are the plugins and here you can see the plugins, the featured ones, popular ones, etc. You can also search for plugins, but you don't really need to use this website because all these plugins are available from your dashboard. Now we have this Rank Math plugin, and let's click Install and click Activate. After you click the Activate button on a plugin, different things can happen. So this plugin requires you to connect your account with their website. Sometimes you are redirected to your dashboard automatically, but sometimes you need to do some extra steps to set up your plugin. So with this, because I'm going to use this plugin, I will just click Connect your account. And here you can select how you want to register on their website. You can do this with Facebook, your Google account, your WordPress.com account. Let's just accept the terms and let's click Google. And after that, you can activate the plugin. So just click OK, activate now. And then this plugin offers a few steps to quickly set up this plugin. For now, I'm just going to select the easy way and click Start Wizard. Okay, this is a personal blog. If you want, you can upload a logo for Google and the default social share image. So basically when someone shares your posts or your page on Facebook or Twitter, this is the default image that will appear. I don't have it right now, so I will just click Save and Continue. And the next step is very important. You can connect Google services like Search Console or Google Analytics. If you want, you can do that. Right now, I'm going to skip this step because I want to connect to these services in a different way. And I'm going to do that in a separate video. Okay, so you can go ahead and click this button. You will need a Gmail account for this. Okay, so right now I'm going to skip this step and we are ready. We can enable auto update for the plugin. Yes, enable it. And we can return to the dashboard. And that's it. We installed the Rank Math SEO plugin. And as you can see, we have a new menu in the sidebar. This plugin also has a pro version, which means that you would have to pay for that version. But I think the free version is more than enough. Okay, and if we go to posts and click add new post, so you can see this red icon with the number here. And if you click on it, then you can see the rank math options. So for each blog post, you can use a number of search engine optimization settings. So for each post that you will create, rank math will show you a search engine optimization score. Obviously, if you are close to 100, that's the best. But I think you should always make sure that your articles are written to real people and not really focus on this SEO score. I think a well-written article that's written for people and gives some useful information to people is much better than to write some 100% SEO score article. Okay, so if we want to go back and we go to plugins, we can deactivate a plugin. We can also delete a plugin. So the installation, the activation, deleting is very similar or basically the same as with the themes. Okay, so in this video, this is what I wanted to show you. When we will build our website with WordPress, I will probably install more plugins. So thank you for watching. And if you have any question, just leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.